Thanks again for joining me at MedScore Radio with question and answers provided by bedandwhite.com. In this case, we have an image which you don't really need to see, and I'll explain why later. A comatose 35-year-old man is admitted to the hospital after being involved in a motorcycle collision. He is intubated and mechanically ventilated. He dies 8 weeks later. A photomicrograph of tracheal tissue obtained at autopsy is shown. Which of the following processes best describes these findings? Is it A, atrophy, B, dysplasia, C, hyperplasia, D, hypertrophy, E, metaplasia, or F, neoplasia? So you can often ignore the pictures. Endotracheal tubes irritate the sensitive respiratory mucosa, causing the more delicate pseudostratified ciliated epithelium to be replaced by metaplastic stratified squamous epithelium, the tissue most suited to areas of constant abrasion. When tissues are exposed to an atypical or noxious environment, they can become metaplastic as an adaptation, just as in Barrett's esophagus when esophageal stratified squamous tissue becomes simple columnar epithelium, like the stomach or bowel, after prolonged exposure to acidic gastric secretions.